Hello all, welcome to my YouTube channel Global City Farmer. This video is to show step-by-step process to grow fragrant mint just in water. Yes, you heard it right. We can very easily grow fresh and fragrant mint which we use in so many dishes and so many ways by just using water and no soil. So let's start. Refreshing and fragrant mint. We use it in so many ways. Smoothies, refreshing coolers, raitas, salads. Also it is used for its medicinal purposes, like to use it in kadha or concoction, which is used for kids and adults for cough and cold. Also, if you have a refreshing mint growing in your window and breeze comes through the same window, your whole house will be fragrant with the awesome aroma of freshly growing mint. Have you any time smelled the mint which is growing in your own garden? The feeling is different. Many times we bring mint from the shop, and when we are buying it from the vegetable vendor, it looks very good. But we keep it in the fridge for some days, and after some days when we want to use it, the color has changed. It has started looking dull. So why don't we try to grow it in our own pots or glasses, so that as and when we want a fresh mint, just go to the garden or go to your window, go to your kitchen garden, go to your balcony and pluck fresh leaves of mint and use it in your kitchen. To grow mint at home, we'll be needing few stalks from store-bought mint. So this is the mint which we buy from a vegetable vendor, and I have separated the bunch, and now we'll start cleaning process. I'm removing all the leaves from the stalk. Now these leaves will be using it for preparing something in the kitchen. Now for growing healthy mint, the ideal selection would be the strong and thick stalks. But I'm going to show you, if we use even the thin and the small side stalks, we can still grow healthy mint. So let's remove the leaves and separate the stalks as per the length. So the short ones will be separate and the long ones will be separate. I have finished cleaning of the mint bunch, and I have made 4 separate parts. First one is a long stalks, then mint leaves, and third is short or thin stalks. And what we see here at the bottom is the waste material which will go in a compost pile. So nothing from this mint bunch is wasted. These are the 2 bunches. This is stalks which are long and strong, and the second bunch is of short and thin stalks. We have separated them as I have explained before. Now we'll take 2 separate containers. You can use glass or you can use repurposed plastic container. Now let's fill the water in both these containers. Now as per the height of the stalks, their water requirement is different. That's why we have chosen the containers of different heights. So the tall stalks and their thick ends, not where the leaves were, the other end of the stalk, we have put it in the water. And the short stalks also I am putting in a water in a shorter container. And just spread them apart. And now after putting this in the water, we need to keep these containers in a bright and sunny area, but not in the direct sunlight. Within few days, see, they will both start showing beautiful green fresh leaves. Now see the roots growing here. You can see the nice root growth has happened in a matter of few days. And see the leaves here, fresh green leaves. These are for the thick stalks. And now I will show you which are the weak or the thin stalks. Even they are having root growth, but their progress will be bit slow. That's the reason we have to choose two separate containers for both. See the water, we need to change water every day. That is very important. And in matter of another few days, you will have your container full with all new green leaves, and fresh crunchy mint is ready to be used for our various purposes. For this green and fresh mint to grow at home, do give it a try. And don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. We are also on Facebook and Instagram. Our handles are mentioned here. Also have a look at our other videos to grow healthy beetroot greens and few microgreens. The video links are in the description.